What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let's start up the RT, man, so we can get this video started. You know what I'm saying? It's been raining like crazy here in Maryland, man. It's getting on my nerves. Can't really film like I want to. But today, man, today's video is going to be about should you trade your RT in. Now, I did a video like this before about the 2019 Scat Pack. You know, you should trade up for the 2019 Scat Pack if you already had a Scat Pack. But see, this video is going to be about trading up to an RT. Say if you have a V6 or you already got an RT and you're thinking about getting another RT. Me, I personally think you should wait, because I know Dodge is going to redesign the RTs, the Scat Packs. They're going to redesign all the cars. I don't think it makes sense to trade in your current vehicle for a 2019. There's no difference in a 2015 all the way up to a 2019 RT. Now, there are certain things that they tweaked. Like, I believe the 2019 RTs come with an upgraded suspension, and also you can get the new stripes like that come on the new Hellcats. You can get those stripes and stuff like that. But far as the horsepower, far as anything inside of the car, all that stuff is the same. So I think it would be a waste of money to just go out and trade in your RT to get a 2019 when you can wait and get a totally redesigned RT in 2020 or 2021. And I believe it's going to come in 2020. And I hope when they redesign the new RTs, they make them look just like the Scat Packs as far as the front fascias, because I believe now the 2019 RTs, the front fascia looks just like a Scat Pack RT. Well, they don't even call it RT Scat Packs anymore. They just call it Scat Packs, but they all look the same in the front. So I'm hoping that the RTs look the same, because if it's a V8, I think all the V8s should look the same. If it's a V6, you know, the V6 should look different than the V8s. And I think that's one of the mistakes that Dodge made last year and this year, because you can get a V6 that looks just like a V8. I just think that's stupid. So that's what this video is about. You know, I just wanted to give my 2 cents on why I think you should keep your current RT if you got one. Like me, yes, I do like the new RTs because they look like the Scat Packs, but I figure if I'm gonna get something that looks like a Scat Pack, I might as well just get a Scat Pack, because I'm seeing 2019 Scat Packs, the base model ones, for $33,000. You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't be hard to just go in and trade and get a Scat Pack. But I really don't have a problem with my RT. I mean, I'm really enjoying my car. So, and like I said before in my other videos, they didn't do enough to make me want to just run and trade in my car, because I like my leather seats. I like the way my car's set up, and it's still riding good, you know. So I feel there's no need to just run out and trade in my car. So if you're thinking about trading in your current RT or whatever you may have, I think you should just wait, because they definitely didn't do anything as far as horsepower, anything like that. And they also are offering an all-weather package, and that's kind of crazy, because they're making it seem like the 2019s are the only ones that came with heated seats and heated steering wheel. I have heated seats, front and back seats, and my steering wheel is heated. So that's not anything extra, because you can get that in an RT right now. So just make sure you do your research, man. I know it's very tempting, but I think it'll be a bad move to just run out and trade in your current vehicle for a 2019 RT. I understand that the discounts are heavy, and Dodge has been dropping a lot of cool commercials trying to get people to trade up to the 2018s. That's because they got them. There's a lot of them sitting on the lot, and you know they got these 2019s coming, so they doing any and everything to try to get these vehicles off. But I think you'll just be fooling yourself, man, to run out and trade in your car, because when that new design drops, and you just bought a 2019 RT or 2018 RT, you're gonna be so upside down you won't be able to trade the car in, because these cars depreciate quick and tremendously. I'm talking about $10,000 holes when you go try to trade these cars in. So just do your research and make sure that's exactly what you really want to do. Now, if you're okay with how the car looks, then I get it. It makes sense. But if you think you want to wait for the new, the redesign, I think it'll be a smart move to wait. You know what I'm saying? Because they are definitely going to change these cars very soon. And you don't want to be the one regretting your decision. And I told you, now I'm making this video and I'm telling you right now, mark my words, do not trade in your car for a 2019. Keep your car, because the redesign is coming. So when everybody else is rolling around and you're looking at YouTube and they in the new redesigned Dodge Charger or Challenger, you're going to be sick to your stomach, because I told you to wait. Hemi must have told you to wait. So that's all this video is about, man. If this is your first time joining my channel, hit the like button. Please subscribe, share the videos, man. I appreciate everybody. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.